So it's hard to remember that I have sound. Okay, the goal is to connect to some port and read some integers. Let's play. Okay, I have to read them like that, so let's think of directory 0, socket. Add these integers together and send back the results. Build up a little library here. All right, cool. That's the first level. Sweet. So we have some login credentials for the next level. Level 1. Okay, well, I solved the problem. That's software engineering. All right. Look at all judging you now. Was the information can be used to log in using SSH, but where's the server? There's a server in the other one. Let's try this. Alright, sweet, logged in. Some levels are in vortex. So we have an SUID binary. And it probably says stuff about it here. Less chatting, more hacking. Okay, alright, I'm working. We're looking for a specific value in pointer. You may need to consider how bash handles end of file. Okay, cool. It does some stuff there. Equals unsigned pointer equals CA. I get a shell as the user ID. Pointer equals the middle of the buffer. So what if I just fill it with CAs? I have Python on this computer? Oh, sweet, I have Python. Okay. So now I'm SSH'd remotely. Yeah, I'm not fast at stuff like this, you know? Let's try that. All done. Stack smashing detected. Alright, well, this does something else then. Oh, this is really hard. getchar. If getchar is /n, Alright, so this is one of the problems with these things. A lot of it's just me staring at code. How interesting is that? Not so interesting. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, well... Get EUID. What even is an EUID? I don't know this stuff. I think that's the one I want. Default E. Buff plus... Oh, no. So that should be right in the middle of the buffer. Oh, I actually have to set buff to things. Maybe? Pointer is going backwards if I have slashes. Alright, so it looks like we're going to need a number of slashes to move the pointer to X, and then unsigned integer pointer. Yeah, so we're going to need a number of slashes to move it backwards. Okay, like, are you guys just looking at this and seeing the answer? Because I feel slow right now. We're going to need a number of slashes to move the pointer back to X. So size of buff over 2 is going to be 256. So if we subtract 256 times, we're going to be off by 1. So we need 257 slashes. And then a CA. That? It didn't work. If pointer is... do I have to use Kira for this? Is that wrong? Default E. She's gonna exec NSH with the resu ID. Get char. Why is that wrong? Why is that wrong? Why is that wrong? Prints out all done, we did it badly. Oh, you may need to consider how bash handles end of file because, that's the other. Just make sure it's doing something same. Pointer minus minus. Oh, break. Well, break's not good. Yeah, I know how to use cat. Wow, I don't like this. I feel like I'm sitting here being judged. Alright, come on. This isn't that hard. I didn't sleep much last night, you know? Do I actually have to, like, smash the stack? That sounds hard. Pointer minus minus break. Oh, that's just breaking out of the switch. Get chars not equal to EOF. Why doesn't this? Okay. Let's load this into Cura and see why that doesn't work. Oh, and I can show you all how to use Cura. Okay. But you resolved the host name here, didn't you? It's really hard to play with people watching, yeah. It's almost lunchtime. It's break time. So much for being a fast. Okay, well, let's just solve the shit. Okay. So I'm putting the thingies. It's going backwards. Let's just like try some different values. Maybe the problem is the cat thing. Could it be the cat thing? Well, if it's the cat thing, then we can fix that by going like into temp blah. Temp blah is a directory. Well, of course someone took blah already. We'll do blah. We'll misspell blah. Perfect. So now cat temp blah with that thingy and pipe to / vortex 1. All right, well, it looks like it didn't exit. Oh. Pointer's gonna be there, so we're gonna have to add 4, maybe? Is this right? Oh, look, I solved it! Oh, I solved a problem! Oh, cool! I feel really accomplished right now. Do I get a password, or do I have to use this crappy shell? Stopped. Alright, stopped. Fine. Alright, do I get a password, or is that all I get? So, I've never really played one of these war games before. There should be a way... Like, once I have a shell as somebody, I can keep the shell somehow, right? Maybe? With the right user ID... What's in home? Let's see what's in home. Nothing. Oh, that would have been nice. Yeah, I expected that. Okay, whatever. Let's just keep going. We have a shell. Create a special tar file. Vortex 2 is running as run bin bash. Yeah, but the last time I ran bin bash, it got mad at me. I mean, it's not bin bash, it's bin bash -I, but that's gonna like mess with things. Whatever. I have a shell. It seems stable. Let's just keep it. Ownership $$tar. Alright, so can I create a tar file with a SUID binary? What's going to happen when that extracts? I think that works, right? Well, let's try it. So the user ID is 5002. L in window 2. Oh! Oh, that's so nice of them. I got a broadcast message. Well, okay, let's not be stupid now. And let's add vortex 2. Alright, cool. So we got the password. And let's save that server somewhere sane. I'll get faster as time goes on, I think. Alright, so now we have a real shell. Vortex 2, which is SUID vortex 3. Okay. So it's not going to actually let me create the file, but it will let me create a tar file. What if I create it on my machine and then SCP it over? So what do I want to create? I want to create just a stupid thing that they have the full path. I can't do anything with just paths. I just want to create a stupid C binary. FGCC? Cool, FGCC. Okay. Let's just create a stupid binary. First, let's create Tom Cruise. There we go. Oh. Oh, I didn't even see this over here. What? I get arguments? Oh, it's creating a tar file. It's not even extracting a tar. Okay, I'm really slow today. We have to create a tar file. Oh, yeah, why don't I just tar the password up? That should work, right? I'm overthinking this. I'm in home. I don't want to be in home. I want to be in vortex. And then we're just going to say /vortex2 etsy. What are those things again? Etsy vortex pass vortex 3. Removing leading slash from member names. That's fine. Let's go to temp. Let's go to Tom Cruise. It's mv.x/ownership $$ here. Cannot stat. No such file or directory. Oh, because that's my $$. I need to know what the PID of the thing that... $$ is a shortcut for PID? Wow, there's a lot I don't know. Turns PID of parent process. This should actually have the same parent process. Both were created by... Okay, so I have to know what the PID was, and let's just SSH it again so I can have 2 windows. Cowardly refusing to create an FD archive. Okay. So echo $. No, that's not the PID. $. Is echo a process? No, echo's not a process, so that's gonna not be that. Okay. Is PID in the environment? Dash print PID. Oh, the variable $$ contains the PID, not the parent PID. PS work? Oh, is proc mounted? No, proc's not mounted. You know what? The PID space is actually pretty small. Let's brute force it. F equals open temp.